by default on CachyOS or any other distro which is using Fastfetch. When you install it, you get the default configuration which looks just like this. And today I'm going to help you and give you a painless guide to change it to any other configurations. This is one of the configurations which is present on my system, but they are all present on your systems, but you are not aware of it yet. So let's get started. First of all, I want you to open a terminal, and here you can type the fastfetch command, and you can type its option config and just hit tab. And here we go. You can see all of the JSON configurations which is already present on your system since Fastfetch is already installed, but you are just not using it yet. You can just specify it like this and use one of the configuration. Let's start with 15, and here we go. But there is a problem. You have specified it as a configuration just for this terminal temporarily. So if you open another terminal, let's type in fish, and it will just reset to the default configuration, which is in my case set to this, and on your case it would be set to none configuration, which is a default one. So how do we change this? There is a simple solution for this. I want you to open your Dolphin or any other file manager which you have, and I want you to go to this path. So here we have the config.json, which is the default JSON configuration present for the Fastfetch, and then I want to open another Dolphin tab where you have to specify the path for the example preset configuration files, which is user share, Fastfetch, presets and examples. And here you can see that there are a bunch of different configurations which is available. So if you want to use the one which I just configured here, which was the 15th one, it looks good to me. So I will just copy this configuration and paste it here, and I will just rename this configuration just to keep it as the backup which I was using, and I will just rename it again just like this, config.json. Now if you open another terminal like this, you will be able to see your default config that you have just set. So let's type in again, and here we go. That would be all for this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to subscribe. We will just meet again in the next one. Until then, goodbye and donk.